In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Zoom with Google Calendar in 2025. This integration will help you easily schedule and manage your meetings, ensuring everything stays organized and synced across both platforms without any hassle. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to zoom.us. Once there, you'll need to log in to your Zoom account if you haven't already. This should bring you to your main dashboard, where you'll find a selection of tools and options on the left sidebar. You'll want to focus on this sidebar and look for the settings option. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the settings menu, direct your attention to the top of the page. There, you'll see a variety of categories. Look for the one labeled Mail and Calendar and give it a click. This section deals specifically with how Zoom interacts with your calendar and email connections. Once you're in the Mail and Calendar section, head down to the Integrations area. Here, you'll find all of the tools you can connect your Zoom account with. A Configure button should be visible to you. Click it to open up a pop-up window where we can start setting up the integration. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll be asked to select a service. Here, you should choose Google, which is easily identifiable by the calendar icon. By selecting Google, you're opting to link your Zoom account with your Google Calendar. There's an important option you need to make sure is checked here: bidirectional sync. This ensures that any changes made in Zoom will update Google Calendar and vice versa. This is crucial for keeping your events aligned and up to date in both platforms. With your selection made and ensuring bidirectional sync is active, go ahead and click Next. Doing this will generate an API key specifically for this integration. This key is vital as it enables the secure communication between Zoom and Google Calendar. Next up, a Google login window should appear. Here, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. This step authorizes the connection between the two services. Upon successfully logging in, Zoom will require permission to access your Google Calendar. When prompted, make sure you click Allow to grant this permission. This step enables the synchronization and interaction between your calendar and Zoom, and just like that, you're all set. You've successfully connected your Zoom account with Google Calendar. From now on, any Zoom meetings you schedule will automatically appear in your Google Calendar, and any changes you make in one will reflect in the other. This integration makes managing your meetings and schedule more streamlined and efficient than ever.